For this offer, we've thought really hard about why it is that you might come to Collab 365. You might come wanting to go deeper on a Microsoft 365 service you've already experienced. You might come wanting to start at the beginning and take bite-sized steps in Power BI, for example, through to a fantastic report. You might come wanting to explore a lot of different services that Microsoft 365 has to offer and get deeper knowledge on each of those. Or maybe take yourself to that intermediate or advanced level on something like Power Automate or Power Apps. This bundle gives you the ability to do all of those things. In one purchase, with no fuss, you're in our academy. And from there, in your My Content area, you can access all of these great workshops and challenges. And even more than that, you can also access ebooks and summit sessions. On top of all of this, what you get is access to a fantastic academy where day on day people are helping each other. People are answering each other's questions and getting answers to their own questions. And we're there as coaches to help everybody get the best out of the Microsoft 365 services. So with this Platinum Bundle, you're not only going to get access to great content that you can follow along with and learn from and practice with, you're going to get access to a community of passionate experts. And we hope this is for you. It's a one-off payment that gets you everything that you will need to start to move forward.